Look at that. Look at that. You ready? You ready? Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bridget. And today I'm showing you how I slick my short texturized hair using products I already have. Slick styles on short hair can be tricky, either it doesn't lay or it flares. So I'll show you exactly what works for me. Please stick around because at the end of the video I'll show you my products. Without losing time, let's get started. You're welcome. So firstly, I will start by spraying the hair lightly. I always work on damp hair because it lays better. So make sure you work on damp hair, but please don't soak it wet. Yeah, this enables the product to penetrate easily. Okay, as you can see, my hair is slightly damp. Yeah. Secondly, I'm going to apply lotion to make sure my hair is moisturized or rather hydrated. Yeah, look at that. You need to moisturize your hair first. Hope you can see. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I'm going to divide into different sections. My hair is very short, sure, and I think I can cut. Yeah, I'm going here, as you can see, like that. And now I'm going to apply in gel. Make sure you stick around because I'm going to reveal my products at the end of the video. Yeah, sure. And I apply just a little bit, not too much, because short hair doesn't need a lot of products. Yeah, sure. Hope you can see. Yeah. Let's see how it's gonna slick. Hopefully, yeah, sure. Let's how it will slick. Yeah, and now I use the gel comb and try to smooth it out. Yes, slowly by slowly, without causing tensions. Sure. If your hair is too long, please cut into small different sections. Yeah. Now I'm trying to smoothen it out. Yes, a little bit. As you can see, I hope you can see clearly. Let me come closer. Yes, let me try to smoothen out. Yeah. This now, secondly, I'm going to use this comb and try to smoothen it out even more. Hope you can see. Yeah. Yes, just slowly. And now I'll put a little bit gel just to slick it out. Hope you can see. And then I try to smoothen out even more to make sure I have that nice slick. Sure. Yes. We are doing it slow, guys. Yeah. So that you see everything. You can detangle with your fingertips first. And sometimes I use a brush to lay the hair down, please. Yeah. And then I can smoothen out more with a jelly comb, as you can see. Yeah. You can use a brush also. You can use what works for you better. I know. Okay, with this. My hair type is a little bit wavy, so this is how I do it. It depends with your hair type. Yeah, now I'm going to use a scarf and I'm going to tie it to keep it. Yeah. I leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes to hold my slick down. Yeah. Yeah, now let's take it out and see. You're ready? You ready? This is the final result. Clean, slicky without flags. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, these are my quick gems on how to slick down your hair. Firstly, don't overload the gel. Secondly, apply gel on damp hair. And thirdly, set with a scalp. Yeah, and that's how I slick my short texturized hair using simple products. And now I'm going to show you the product I've used. Ta-da! I've used Pink Lotion to moisturize my hair first, and secondly, I've used hair gel. You can use even this gel if you have it, yeah. And let me know in the comment section below if you prefer to use hair gel or DAX, yeah, to slick down your hair. If this video has helped you in any way, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, comment below, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.